This is the Model C Sentinel Daily Dose for Tuesday, April 28, 2026. Section 1. The Paradox of the Perfect Print. If you look at the dashboard today, you see a bare probability score of 10%. To the untrained eye, this looks like the safest market in history. People see a low BPS and think it's time to go all in. But as quantitative operators, we have to look deeper. We are currently witnessing a stability decay that is mathematically contradicting the low BPS. Section 2. The forensic analysis, stability versus probability. Here is how you explain this situation to your friends. The BPS is a measure of current probability. It tells us that right now, the bears have no control. But stability is a measure of structural integrity. It tells us how much weight the floor can hold before it collapses. Right now, the BPS is 10 because the market is in a vertical V-shaped recovery. But our logs show that the average RS stability score on the board has plunged into the 70s. This is the thin ice momentum regime. The market is moving fast, but it has no structural support. Because the recovery was so vertical, it didn't build any bases or floors. Every stock on the board is currently stretched, like a rubber band. When you couple a low BPS with stability decay, the risk-to-reward ratio turns toxic. You are risking a massive 5%. ATR stop to chase the final 1% of an exhaustion move. Section 3. Tactical Command. The tactical command for today is resist the illusion. The all clear from the BPS is an invitation for retail FOMO, but the stability decay is an institutional warning. If you try to buy the ignition momentum board today, you are betting that a vertical line can stay vertical forever. The data shows that even if we rotate back to momentum, the quality of the setups is at a 30-day low. We have successfully preserved our capital. We are not going to hand it back to the market during a high friction, low stability exhaustion climax. We remain selective. We keep our stops at the previous day's lows. And we wait for a structural reset. End of briefing.